Let's get into this hair, honey. So if you clicked on this video, then you're here for some cute and easy hairstyles for curly hair. Well, I got you. Let's get started. So let's start with the half up and half down hairstyle. Make sure you get those side curlies. So this next one, we're just gonna pull one curly out and then pull another one on the other side, and then boom, you have a new hairstyle. Easy. So this next one, I'm pretty sure you've seen all the trending videos with the claw clip, but I love it. It gives a little volume to the top. Okay, now this is my go-to, especially when I'm short on time and I just need something quick and easy. So I just grab all my hair and put in a high ponytail, make sure I get my side curlies in the back, and then I'm ready to head out. I like big buns and I cannot lie. Curly, that is. Now let's add some braids. this last hairstyle is the half braided crown. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what other videos you would love to see from me. And make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. Bye.